Hi everyone, this is Ramshi from WindowsLoop.com. Today, let me show you how to disable ads and recommendations from the start menu of Windows 7. For example, take a look at this screenshot. You can see that the start menu is showing an ad for one password manager. But the problem is that the ad is pretty much blended in with other files and apps in your computer. This is not a good thing if you don't like ads. The good thing is that you can disable these ads and recommendations via the settings app. Let me show you how. First of all, open the settings app. There are multiple ways to do it, but the easiest is to open it from the start menu. So open the start menu, search for settings, and click the settings result or click the open option. You can also press the start key plus I keyboard shortcut. Once the settings app opens, go to the personalization tab and click on the start option. Now turn off the show recommendations for tips, shortcuts, new apps and more. That's it. From now on, you will no longer see the ads or unwanted recommendations in the start menu. To make it even better, you can shrink the recommended section so that you can pin more apps instead of seeing the dynamic recommendations. For that, under the layout section, select the more pins option. As soon as you do it, the recommendation section will shrink down much more and you can see more pinned apps in your start menu. You can unpin the apps that you don't need and pin the ones you need. It's that simple. I hope this helps and please visit our blog for more tips and tricks and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.